If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. Today I wanted to do a really easy tutorial on how to do this crocheted knitted stitch. So it's going to look as if it's knitted. You can see these little V's. It's a really tight stitch, so it's really good for baby blankets. It also lays really flat, which is nice. It's not rolling up or anything like that, which can happen with Tunisian crochet a lot. So we'll just jump right on in here. Okay, so I have my yarn, and you can use any yarn and hook that you have or that you want to use for your specific project. And we'll start with our slip knot. Oops. So I'm using a 6mm hook, and you're going to want to keep the tension pretty loose as you go along, so just keeping that in mind. And you can also chain any amount, so there's no specific multiple that you need to follow for your chain. So just chaining, maybe you're just going to do a sample swatch to see how it looks, or a whole project, just chain as many as you like. And I'll just do a few more for this example. Right, so I'll stop there. So we're just going to make simple single crochets. Just one crochet in each stitch along until the end of the row. Alright, so that was the last stitch, and we'll just chain one and turn. So now as we work back the other direction, we're going to start the one row repeat. So this is going to be how you do each row for the rest of the project. So normally, let me just show you here. Normally we would go in and work into this stitch and this stitch and this stitch, but for the knitted stitch we're going to go in the middle of this bar. So as you can see, there's just this little space right here that you're going to insert your hook, and then we would go here and here. Okay, and it does help if you have pointed hooks. It just makes it a little bit easier. Again, this is why we just want to keep looser tension so that we can get into the center of those bars. So we're going to go right in here and come out the other side and do a single crochet. And then you can see where we're going to go in right here and do a single crochet. Here's the next space that we'll go into. Going in right here. And remembering to keep a loose tension so as you work up, you're able to get your hook easily through. Here we go, right into this space. So you can see that you're already forming those V's. Sometimes it can get a little bit tricky to get your hook in the right spot. So once you get past this first row of this pattern, it actually gets a lot easier, and you want to make sure that you put that last stitch in, right, so that your ends are nice and even. So now just chaining one and turn. So now you can see really easily where you're going to be inserting your hook each time. Right in the middle of this V right here. So here's the right bar and the left bar, and we're going to go right into the middle of that, so that basically you're creating V's right on top of each other, and that's what's going to give you that knitted look. And it's really that simple. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. See you next time.